Hey Facebook, it's Jess at Summit RV. I am going to show you guys today this cool little camper sitting right here behind me. This is brand new for 2018. They've redone the outside and the inside and it looks great. This is the Freedom Express Ultralight and it's the 248 RBS floor plan. I am going to show you some cool features about it and some things they've done with the floor plan that are really neat. A little bit of new technology for this year, so let's take a look at it. So you're going to see the Freedom Express Ultralight has a lot of upgraded features. We've got LED lights on the front cap and we have a power tongue jack. Hey Matt, already installed. We've got the diamond plate right here to prevent chipping with rocks and things like that. And as you can see, it is ultra light. The dry weight is going to be right around 4,000 pounds or so. So this is going to be easy to tow. The pass-through storage is lit with LED lights, so you can see everything you're looking for under here. It is finished. And there is a place to store your table, and this table does come with this RV, so you can put this right here under your awning and use it with your kitchen as well. Hey Matt, you want to come jump in this video? Why don't you tell us a little bit more about this Freedom?
What have you went over so far?
Well, so far we've talked about the LED lights on the front cap and the power tongue jack, and we've talked a little bit about this pass-through storage. It's got the LED lighting and a place to store your table.
The pass-through storage connects to the bedroom on this, so you can get to it from underneath the bed or just through your pass-through storage. Of course, you got a nice fiberglass sided camper. You have a big outside kitchen area with your camp kitchen stove. Let's open this up here. Of course, your big refrigerator. Your refrigerator is mounted already, so you don't have to worry about anything scooting around in there. And of course, you got your sink area, some storage.
So what can you tow this with, Matt? Let's talk about tow vehicles.
Tow vehicles with this. Let's get the exact driveway.
This is an aluminum structured unit, and it is built with Asdale composite panels, which is a little bit stronger than your typical fiberglass. So this is going to be a very durable unit, super lightweight, and lasts a really long time. You're not going to have as much deterioration as you would with a wood structured unit with an aluminum structure.
You're looking about 5,900 pounds, give or take a few, but you can tow this with just about any 1,500 truck will tow this. Maybe some bigger SUVs, just depending on your tow rating.
All right. We've got some marine grade outside speakers here, so you can have some entertainment outdoors as well. This is equipped with lion's head tires and wheels, and that is guaranteed.
These are actually guaranteed for 1 year, so no questions asked. Replacements on your tires for 1 year and that's through Lion's Head.
Let's hop inside and show some of the new features inside as well. As you can see, they've completely done the decor. It's got a really light, refreshing feel in here, and there's a lot of backlighting that's going to be really helpful when you're camping and it's the middle of the night and you want to leave a couple little lights on, but you don't want to light up your whole camper. There's some lighting up here that's helpful. Yeah, perfect. Then you can see. And then, of course, your booth is lit underneath as well. Something that is really cool about this booth that you're not going to see in other units. There is a sliding compartment door right here for your storage, and there are also compartment doors on the ends of your booths. Most booths you have to lift up this to get into it, but this one is made super easy so that you can really get into the storage compartment really well, really fast without any trouble. This couch is brand new this year. This is a smart couch. It has USB ports with lighted cup holders so that you can charge your phone. This is something that they've changed this year as well. We have the new Furrion stove that will light up for you. Just another neat feature. This is equipped with Congolium Designer Carefree Resilient Flooring. This is the most rugged and damage-resistant sheet flooring available in an RV today, and it does have a 3-year warranty against cracking. You can see there. We have the sink cover, molded and made for your big, deep sink. Custom silverware drawer that comes with the Freedom Express. What do you got in the bathroom, Matt?
In the bathroom, we have three big cabinet drawers here. We have very deep storage here on top. You got 2 shelves, and of course, you have your corner shower here.
Why don't you hop in there, Matt? Let's see how big that shower is.
Let's do it. So I'm a pretty big guy. You can see there's still plenty of room in here to get in the shower.
And you can still move around this is a really big bathroom.
Oh yes.
So you can have somebody at the sink, and you can also have somebody shower at the same time. And you've got plenty of room in here. We've got an entertainment center here, of course, and this is your quick touch wireless system, DVD, AM, FM, Bluetooth, etc. Got all that, and then we'll move in here to the bedroom.
Did you go over the self-lighting oven?
I did. So you can see the bedroom is spacious. We do have wardrobes on either side of the bedroom. We can walk all the way around the bed. There are USB ports beside the bed to charge your phone in here as well. And we've got hanging space in the wardrobes. So you can rest easy and get in and out of bed easily in this room. It does have a pocket door, so it doesn't take up extra space.
Reading lights here as well.
So I think that's basically everything. The new features, everything's lit up. There's new tech. We've got new appliances. The exterior is upgraded. This does have an aluminum caved structure with the Asdel composite panels. So come on in and check it out. We will be here until 5:30 through Friday and Saturday until 5. We have over 300 RVs to choose from on our lot. This is definitely not the only one that we have to look at. So no matter what you're looking for, we can definitely find something that's going to meet your needs. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us in the meantime at 606-928-6795 and ask for sales, and we'll get you with the person that's going to help you find exactly what you're looking for, whether it be new, used, and any price range as well. We have all of our photos and videos of every unit on summitrv.com, and you can send us an email at sales@summitrv.com as well. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.